Alright, Bill, you ready for a journey?
My forearms feel like absolute boners right now.
What is the Pythagorean theorem? A
Well,
plus B equals C or whatever?
Yeah, you look at the triangles, and you see how I waited longer? It's because I got to the middle of the hypotenuse of the I made a triangle in my head from where we were dropping to the line of the cargo plane.
Wait.
Want to go double team this guy? Nah, fuck it.
Moving up.
Alright,
Ah,
let's
fuck
get
me.
it done.
Your teammates lost the fight. Now they return to base. Last chance. Kill or be killed.
What?
Oh, it's here. In the tombs, as they say.
Oh my god, I tried to assassinate him. There's a guy down there. What a fucking failure. What a fucking failure. What an absolute failure.
I might actually fucking down this motherfucker. I fucking killed this dude.
Oh, okay.
What is this fucking game?
Billy, I got sniped kind of. In a sense. I'm down. There's guys upstairs.
Return to base.
I'm ass.
Oh, they got out, Billy. They got out.
I see him. Oh, fuck. Yep, I got the bad angle.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I tried to ping him, but I ended up giving him fucking thumbs up. What the fuck is this game?
You win this fight, you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done.
What?
Lost the fight. Return to base. Your team can pay for your release if they have the money.
Fuck.
Billy, I kind of need to drop on this loadout. I have no choice.
Drop on it. Go for it.
Oh no! I pressed A! My controller's broken!
Oh, god damn it.
Did you just kill you with a pistol?
Oh, this guy just fucking pistol whipped me. Fuck! I'm a loser!
Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight.
Wow. Holy shit, Billy. Holy shit, man. Billy?
Yeah.
No clips. No clips allowed. No one clip that.
Shot in the air.
Billy, come in this front door with me. Oh my god. I got sniped. Billy, I got sniped.
It's a shit show, but I love it.
Billy, watch out for snipers.
Other one's behind you to the left.
No!
Grenade out!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Keep on Honk out there. Return to base for debrief. Heading back to base.
Alright, we're pissed. We are pissed off and we are focused now. This shit has gotten real.
Let's go, motherfuckers!
They're both in there. They're both in here.
Double kill, let's go. We got him.
Help me.
Good shit, Billy. Good shit. Good shit. Double kill. Double kill.
Fuck yeah, baby.
Bitches.
Kill him.
Bitches.
I think so.
Fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck you, bitch! Fuck yeah! Holy shit! He was on the roof and I just fucking killed his ass. Holy shit, that was an adrenaline rush. Woo!
guy in there.
Down, team wiped.
Oh, fuck yeah, baby.
Billy, what the fuck? Let's go.
You return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Time
Fuck
to earn your
yeah.
freedom, soldier.
I think there is two. I down one. Where is he? On the roof?
Stand down.
On the roof anymore, he's down the stairs.
Down him, team white, bitch. Go, get out, go, Billy, get in, get in the car. Go kill him. Try and run him over, Billy, run him over. Billy, run him over.
Loop around.
Yes, Billy.
Yeah, they're just shooting you with a riot shield.
I down one.
Oh, he's right behind you.
Gas is moving.
I'm literally useless.
Down him, team wipe, kill confirmed, team wipe.
Yeah, he's in there.
Team wipe, let's go.
You've got gas inbound.
Push right, we got this, man.
Fuck. Survive. Fine.
Oh!
Fuck, are you kidding me?
Love you, Hank.
Love you too, Bill.